Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a cleaning hack.
Over time, in your kitchen drain can accumulate food residue, grease and dirt, causing bad odors, slow draining, or even clogging. You can solve this problem in no time with a simple item that you probably already have in your kitchen, a dishwasher tab. Dishwasher tablets can unclog kitchen sinks thanks to their grease-cutting ingredients. They are made with phosphates, enzymes, alkaline salt, and oxygen-based bleaching agents. These ingredients are effective at dissolving grease and stubborn, sticky food waste, which are the most common building blocks of kitchen drain clogs. Place a dishwasher tab over the top of your plug. Boil water in your kettle or on your stove. Slowly pour the boiling water over the top of the tablet so it dissolves. You can use this trick to unclog or eliminate bad odors from your kitchen sink, or just like a cleaning routine and to prevent issues. I just did a video about what a dishwasher tab into the toilet bowl can do. If you are interested, I will link it at the end of this video. I will also link other cleaning hacks videos for you to check out. Let tap water run a little bit and voila! Your kitchen sink drain is unclogged, clean, deodorized. No more grease and food residues. You got rid of bad odors and build-up. Now it drains properly and you don't have to worry about it anymore. Please let me know in the comments below if you ever tried this hack. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!